Hey, this is Pierre-Yves de la Côte working on Planet Technology. So, did you know that with Copilot now you can prompt and ask to create an Excel file thanks to Python? So, I had a use case where I have a survey with a lot of questions, and two columns are the number of email received per day and on average the number of hours spent in meetings. And I want to make a calculation based on standard data, how much time does it take to read a mail to do extract those two columns and create a third column with the total time spent in hours per day doing that. So I'm gonna prompt this, extract from this file the number of emails read and the number of hours spent in meetings per day, and add an estimated column of time in hours spent to read email and attend meetings to read email and attend meetings for each role based on the standard average time it takes. So it, my prompt is pretty complex. It needs to look at the Excel file, extract the column, understand which column correspond to my prompt, understand that I want to do calculation in hours based on the number of emails and the number of hours spent in meetings, sum it, and give me a result. And so since it's a vast amount of, oops, stop. It's a vast amount of data. Um, you understand it's going to be, hopefully, if I put the file, I need to reference a file because if I don't put the file, you won't be able to do anything. Hopefully, he's going to understand that he needs to create an Excel file because there's a lot of data, so it's not, useful to have the result in the prompt. So let's see. You see that O1 is in play here. It's trying to understand the task and doing his stuff. And as you can see, it says you can download the updated file with the estimated time spent from the link below. And you see here, there's a link. As you can see in the bottom of my screen, apparently it's stored in Outlook somewhere, the file. But when I click on it, it's going to download it. And then now I can open it. So that's one of the limitations. I would like it to upload it somewhere in my OneDrive when I click on it. Maybe it will come in the future. But let's see the result. So I have the table with the number of emails extracted, the number of hours spent in meetings. So maybe I can show you that in a table, and I can eventually sort. So quickly, I see that some people should spend 30 hours uh, per day. I'm not sure on average how many emails, 7 and 30 hours. There might be some mistakes here. Uh, oh yeah, because maybe the person entered a wrong answer here. 30 hours to in meetings that survey, sometimes people are understanding something else. Maybe the person understood per week, maybe. Uh, but you can pretty quickly you see that it extracted the information from the survey, did the calculation, understood the column I was looking for, and now I can keep on going with my Excel file and do some crunching if needed. Hope this was insightful.